What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notifications not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all make sure you have turned on the notification sounds. So open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration click on volume and here you will see a notifications volume slider. So drag this slider to the right side. So from here make sure your mobile is in sound mode and then drag this slider to the right side. And after doing this, the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to confirm. And after restarting, it will fix your text notification sound issue. But after restarting, if you're still facing the same issue, then the next solution is open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now open the messages app. So scroll down and click on the messages app and then scroll down and go to its storage. Now from here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data click on clear data and then from the pop-up tap on delete. And after that the text messages notification sound will 100% start working. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.